This chocolate brownie has zucchini hidden inside. My pickiest test family ate the whole batch and had absolutely no idea. Does your child eat the same 5 foods every day? Case file opened. Picky eating is not always about flavor. Sometimes it is color, texture, smell, and what feels safe. So I'm Sprout, and I do not start with the vegetable. I do start with chocolate. Should we test a chocolate lunchbox brownie hiding zucchini? Okay. This looks like a normal chocolate lunchbox brownie. Soft middle. Chocolate on top. Completely innocent. But this brownie has a secret. As you know, there is zucchini in here.
Zucchini is 95% water. That's exactly what makes these brownies so moist without adding any extra fat.
Now, what is zucchini doing here? It brings moisture, a little fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, while chocolate keeps the flavor familiar.
One serve also gives kids vitamin C for immunity, potassium for growing muscles, and fiber for their gut. All hidden inside a brownie.
Before we go further, comment zucchini below if you think your picky eater would taste it. First, we grate the zucchini. But zucchini holds water, so we dry it well. That keeps the brownie soft, not soggy. Into the bowl, zucchini, egg, oil, maple syrup or honey, and vanilla. Then cocoa, flour, baking powder, salt, and chocolate chips. Mix until smooth. Look at this batter. Into the tin. Then we bake until soft and chocolatey.
Into the oven at 180 degrees. 20 to 25 minutes, and the kitchen is about to smell like pure chocolate. Look at that. Smells completely like chocolate. Absolutely zero trace of zucchini.
Now the lunchbox test. No zucchini evidence whatsoever. Save this recipe card to try it this week. Good. That is actually good. The goal is not tricking kids forever. The goal is creating a safe first step. One familiar flavor, one hidden ingredient. Save the recipe card, try it this week, and comment zucchini if your picky eater would notice. I'm Sprout, and I will see you in the next investigation.